It can be difficult for kids to stay focused at times, especially in the classroom. When students lose focus, it can lead to student frustration, the distraction of their classmates, and the loss of valuable learning time. A simple solution to this problem is to implement sensory tools. Nasco's Quiet Bag kits are filled with sensory solutions that you'll need to calm students' nerves on days they become overstimulated or experience sensory overload. From headphones to tune out overwhelming sounds, and soft solutions for students to chew on, to tactile manipulatives to keep the mind focused, and squishy toys to squeeze. The solutions in this kit will soothe students and help them quiet their mind so they can focus. When their nerves are calmed and their fidgety fingers are no longer fidgety, they can relax and better concentrate on learning. Everything stays organized in the included drawstring bag. Teachers can keep a number of these bags in their classroom for students to use as needed, or can supply each student with their own kit so they can self-regulate, diminish stress, and stay focused.